This is a tutorial on how to add users to our Joomla 4 sites. So to add users, we could either go here, or we could collapse down this menu and go to Manage. Oh goodness, my columns are a little wonky looking. Let me fix that real quick. There, now we can see things better. Okay, to add a new user, I'm going to go up here to New. And we're going to pretend our user is Bob Smith. And the login name is actually going to be the person's Blazor ID. And it's going to be their Blazor ID without the @uab.edu. There's no need to put in a password. Their password will be their strong Blazor ID password, and they will use central authentication to log in this. So let's add in an email address for our user. And everything looks really good right there. Let's go over to assigned user groups. This is where you give somebody access and permissions. We're going to pretend Mr. Bob Smith is an administrator. We're going to go over to basic settings. And by default, the default editor here is the JCE. If you wanted to change that to TinyMCE, that's a quick little drop-down menu, but I'm going to go with just the typical editor. And this is where you apply any accessibility settings, which is new in Joomla 4. Alright, and we're going to save and close, and Mr. Smith will be ready to go. Thank you.